cranky during security checking in and all that, but she was cranky during boarding. She started crying loudly, and then there was a huge line for boarding. So then I went to the start and I said, she's playing with another kid behind. Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's our baby's first flight today. We're going from Mangalore to Bangalore. So we're doing something new this time. So we are taking our car and parking in the airport. And then while it's a short trip basically, we're going for 2-3 days to Bangalore, and while coming back we'll take the car back from the airport and come. So we're parking in the airport this time. They'll let you know all the details of that. To park the car we used Adani One app. You can take your own car and using that app you can book a parking slot. It will charge about 600 rupees for 1 day, I think. So we're parking it for 2-3 days. That it's safe is what I heard, and it's convenient. If you're going for 2-3 days, it will help a lot. So that's how we are going, and we booked our parking slot there. We have to take the lane 3 or 4, it seems, apparently I heard, and then after that we go there and park, and then we have to take our luggage and come back to Terminal 1. Yeah, it seems. Our baby girl Gayatri says The first flight our baby Gayatri travelled was around when she was 4.5 months old. It was a very tragic incident that my father was no more, and then we had to come back from Bangalore to Mangalore, and we did not know he was no longer with us. We were told that he was in critical condition, so we were hoping for his recovery and we were coming all the way. So it was her first flight that time. She was a little kid, 4.5 months old, almost 5 months old, yeah. So, but in the airport she started screaming during security check. She started screaming heavily, but the airport staff, CRPF personnel, to security check, all of them, they were very kind. They let me go, and everywhere there was priority check-in and priority, baggage check-in, everything. I did not have to stand anywhere in the queue. The baby, the mother and the father and whoever is traveling along with the baby. Hey, we have a car seat, but this one does not sit in the car seat at all. She's jumping around all over the car. Oh God. She's 9.5 months old now. Please give me tips how to make her sit in the car seat. Please. I need it. What? I have attached one toy that... See, I have attached one toy. In that toy, I have to play with that toy. She will not play. Neither will she sit. Oh Lord. So everybody traveling with the baby gets the priority check-in. So that was very helpful even now. So you don't have to stand in queues anywhere as is. They'll help you out if you have a small baby. We started from Udupi and we have come to the airport now. It took us about 1.5 hours by our own car, and now we have arrived at the airport. It's our first time parking here in the parking spot, so we came a little early, but still we got late, and now we have to search where is it. Apparently you have to go in lane number 3. So Adani One app, you have to log in. Adani One is the name. Log in, and there in that many options you get. One of them is parking spot, car parking, own car parking, something like that. Click on it, and then you can open it and then book a slot from which day to which day. So if it's a short duration that you're visiting somewhere, then car would be a better option. You can park here in the airport and go. Also, I'm sorry, I'm very sleepy. I slept at 2 in the night and I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm very sleepy. 11:30 is a flight from Mangalore to Bangalore, and Mangalore airport has only one terminal one, so no confusion much, no much confusion. It's a prepaid parking, so you have to pay first and then you'll get a QR code which you have to show here at the toll gate. Oh, I don't know why two lanes are here. One lane is here, one is there. This is Adani parking here. This you get a QR code. You have to show it here. You can enter in any lane and show your QR code. Oh, it's here. You come near that toll, right? Arrivals. This is it. Here only you can park. Lane 3, lane 4, wherever. It's open parking. The parking space is huge. You can park here. See, that is the entrance to come to the airport. Okay, here is that toll. There itself you show the QR code of your Adani One parking. You get a QR code and then take that turn, and right here it's just adjacent to that. Here there is taxi parking also, and this is self car parking. There are cars parked. We parked ours here. There are various car parking, and that is the terminal. It's walkable. It's a good option. I liked it. We'll try. We are leaving here for 2 days, the car, and I'll let you know how's the feedback. So here we are walking. See, that is the entrance of the airport. There the cars are going. No, that itself is the entrance. Here it's behind me is where I parked the car. It's that close, bro. Like what? 2 minutes to walk. It's that close to the terminal. Not even 2 minutes. Very close. So I was worried that if it's too far, then how will we manage? Because we were traveling with a baby, you know. We have a lot of luggage. So, but no, it's very close by. You can just walk to the airport terminal. Nothing to worry. If you are a first time flyer and you have no idea how to board the flight or any of that, you can come here to the terminal manager or any security anywhere and ask them. They will guide you. These are DigiYatra machines, and DigiYatra is totally optional. If you are not able to do it, don't panic. It's okay, you can enter normally. Came to the airport here, and near while entering itself, they told us to do DigiYatra. It's not required as is, but if it's a long line, then you can skip the line using DigiYatra. That's it. But then now DigiYatra lines are also huge, so don't get panicked if you did not do DigiYatra and all. It's okay, you can go normally also. Indigo terminals self check-in baggage. You have to come and get it tagged here. To put your luggage there, a tag, and then come here. This is Indigo's baggage drop, and that side is Air India's. After that, you have to come here. That is Air India's case. We got this baby carrier, and Guruji is carrying the baby, and I am doing the other job. Nescafe tu nikalne tu galan tu. Our boarding is 4A. Our boarding gate is 4A. And here we are at the airport. Our security check is done now. Everything is done now. Only waiting. The flight is at 11:30. Now we're waiting for the boarding. We completed the check-in, baggage, security check, all of that we did. Now we are waiting for to board the flight. all of them. We came here around 9:35, and they wasted some time in the name of Digiyatra. It's honestly not required. It's optional. Okay, keep that in mind. In a smaller airport like Mangalore, Digiyatra is not required. It's not crowded as is. And in Bangalore, we have seen a normal check-in line is smaller than Digiyatra line. Sometimes Digiyatra line is bigger than normal check-in line. So Digiyatra saves your time during check-in, they say. And with Digiyatra, each person has to do both check-in, web check-in, and Digiyatra, this one, and not just one person. We had got we had got food from home. We got idli and we ate it here. Flight is at 11:30 and it's still boarding hasn't started. It's 11 now. So we are waiting. Our stomach is full. Baby also is. We filled her stomach also. Hopefully she stays calm inside the flight. She did not scream in the security or wherever. She slept in the car for about 45 minutes. So she was cool. Thank God. And baby girl is flying, so I was trying to make her comfortable. Baby was not cranky during security checking in and all that, but she was cranky during boarding. She started crying loudly, and then there was a huge line for boarding. So then I went to the start and I said, I have a baby, and they let me in right away. They let me right away. So if you have a baby, if you're going with an infant, they'll let you in faster because it's otherwise worrisome. Now she has started singing and touching other passengers. From always safe to service from the hospital. They said Bangalore is 30 minutes away, but the flight time said 1 hour. कृपया इस महत्वपूर्ण सुरक्षा जानकारी पर ध्यान दें। सरकारी नियम वो लैंड करा दे 500 रुपये लैंड करा दे and we finally landed and now we're going to the room. It's my friend's wedding. My friend Diksha Pai is getting married and that's the reason we've come here to Bangalore for a short visit and unexpected trip. All in all, a smooth experience. Baby's first flight. Baby was also not cranky. She cooperated well. It was her wake window where we chose the flight, where she is generally awake. I don't know. Generally they say make your baby sleep, but this one did not sleep at all. Daytime she hardly sleeps. In the night is only when she kind of sleeps, but again broken sleep. So some tips that I want to give you is the baby carrier with which we were carrying the baby. During the security check, they asked us to remove the baby carrier and you have to carry the baby in your arms. We carried food for the baby, the Cerelac, homemade Cerelac, and we fed her in the airport. And also then I was carrying bottled formula milk also for her, and I made sure she slept in the cab. It was about 1.5 hours of cab journey before reaching the airport. So I made sure she slept in the cab so that she stays awake during or she's less cranky during the airport procedures like security check and all of that. So that helped a lot. And they say that you have to feed the baby during takeoff and landing. So I did feed her during takeoff. If you're traveling with an infant, always inform the airport staff during the check-in baggage drop or security check or whatever. You always get priority, and even during boarding and whatever it is, you always get priority. You can skip the queue. So inform the airport staff. Until you inform, nobody's going to come and help you as is. So it's best you inform and skip the queue. And also I heard there's airport stroller, and we couldn't find it. So if you can ask for it and use the stroller in larger airports. After boarding the flight, I informed the flight attendants that it's baby Gayatri's first flight and I'm sorry if she cries. I'll try to calm her down in whichever way possible. And they were very happy to help me with anything that I needed. Also, she received a first time flyer card and a juice. They gave me some juice. They were so sweet. The Indigo flight attendants, thank you so much. So, our baby girl Gayatri received these cards. This is welcome aboard, junior captain, and here it's written all the best, miss you, Gayatri. And it's written from toy planes to real ones. We are happy to be a part of your journey in the air. We hope you enjoy your adventure in the sky with us. And this is happy to have you on board, Gayatri. Welcome aboard your flight with Indigo. We are glad to be a part of your journey. Sit back and relax and watch the clouds sail past as we fly you to your destination. This is very sweet. Also, regarding the car which we parked in Mangalore airport, we came back after 3 days and the car was in a best condition, no issue at all. And we had already paid for the parking. So, while exiting, we had to show that slip or that QR and we could exit. So, no issues as is. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit that like button. Please click on the hype button. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.